Welcome to Wildnote. I'm Chris Webster, and I'm going to talk about projects in Wildnote. Note that this is an overview, and you can find further information on each concept in our video library. Wildnote is a project-based system where all project forms, people, and data are stored together. The first step to use Wildnote is to set up your project. There is no limit to the number of projects you can create. In order to access project administration, you must either be a company administrator or a project admin. If you are not either of those roles, ask your company administrator to change your level of access in order to set up a project. The default view of Wildnote is the projects window. If you are in some other location within the web platform, you can always get back to the project window by simply clicking on Projects at the top right of the screen. The main takeaways from this window are the project cards for active projects, the New Project button, and the Archive Projects tab. Click on New Project to open the New Project Details window and set the parameters for your project. Next, go to the Project Admin drop-down menu at the top of the project card to set up project locations, survey forms, members, and documents. You can set up project locations that are specific to the project area here. Then create your project survey forms from scratch and/or select them from the Wildnote library. Place a check mark next to the survey forms you are using for this project and click Save. Next, set up project members. Place a check mark next to the people who will be working on this project and assign them one of 3 project roles. If the person you are looking for is not on the list, simply click Invite New User. Finally, under the Project Admin menu, click on Documents to upload any documents you want your field crew to have available while working offline during field data collection. Once you've got your project set up, you can now have your field crew members sync their devices and start collecting data on either their Android or iOS smartphones or tablets. No Wi-Fi or cellular service is required after that first project sync is complete. Check the video library for other in-depth videos and for information on anything related to using Wildnote. Thanks.